Hey guys, how's it going? The other day, I wasn't going to make a video on this, but I kind of decided I'll make a video on it just for my memory and also because why not? You guys have been there for pretty much everything that's happened revolving around these tractors, so I figured I'd let you guys know. The other day, Mike was over here, Mike Starcher. We were working on some other things and just kind of messing around, and we were using the 73. For whatever reason, I'm not sure why, somebody, I don't remember who it was, decided to move the tractor. They wanted to put it somewhere else for whatever reason. And apparently the wheel, this wheel right here, ended up falling off. It ended up falling off the spindle, or the axle, I mean. The hub, the snap ring apparently came out of it. This happened once before. It happened when it was dragging logs through a creek. I know it shouldn't have been doing that, but it was dragging logs through a creek. The video, I don't think it was recorded actually, but I guess the snap ring popped out and the wheel, the hub, ended up coming off the axle. Over here is the transmission. This is the victim. Let me show you guys how wore out this thing is. I figured this deserved a video with everything that it's had done with it. Here, this is how wore out this side of the axle is. As you can see, this is the input pulley. I wish the thing would stay still. See how wore out that is? That's the idler. That's that one. So, and also the brake. I don't know how well this will, you can see it has a little bit, not a lot of movement to it, but it does have a little bit. This side over here leaks. You can see a little bit of fluid around it. I do have the hubs. The hubs are in here. These are the hubs that came out of it. This was on the leaking side. As you guys can see, that's the hub. That's the splines in there. It actually doesn't look too bad. It actually doesn't look too good either, but it really impresses me. And then here is the other hub. I ended up reusing the hubs from the new transmission. You can see. I'm going to include some clips of things that this transmission has done in the time that I've had it. I've had it now for about 3 years. I've had the tractor now for about 3 years. And I figured that this thing deserved to get a video done on it with everything that this tractor has done. So this is going to be just a little bit of a tribute to this transmission, this old transmission that's now wore out. Just kind of giving it a spotlight on the channel with everything it's done. I'm sure if you're a long-time subscriber, you've seen pretty much everything that this thing has done, but why not refresh it a little bit? So what I'm going to do is, the camera battery light is flashing, so I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm just going to take some clips, old clips from old videos, and stick them all together in this video and just kind of edit them all together. I'll also go through Mike's channel because there are some videos of this tractor on there, things that it's done, dragging logs through creeks and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to try to make this video less than an hour long because usually videos like this end up getting pretty long. Nothing new on the 312. The last major project was the 312 and the 140. Nothing new to report on the 140. Nothing new to report on the 312. There for a while when I wasn't using the 73, the Cub 105 stepped in and performed outstandingly well. This was when I wasn't using the 73 because of that transmission. I didn't want to use it because the transmission was having issues and I really didn't want to break anything in it. So I just kind of figured, well, I'll lay back on it for a little while and just use it when I need to. And especially with winter coming around, and unfortunately we're going to be getting snow, I figured it was damn near time to go on ahead and replace it. That end, it was Mike's idea. I wasn't going to replace it. I was just going to put the hub back on and be done with it. I wish I'd have done that instead. Took me about 5 or 6 hours to replace the transmission in that tractor, but I was taking my time. I couldn't keep my mind on it. I wanted to go do something else, and then something else I thought of, so I went to do that. It was kind of a, oh, I'll get to it whenever I want to type of project. 15 minutes here, 20 minutes here, 10 minutes here, doing this. And then, of course, me doing it by myself because Michael left at the worst possible time. Putting everything back together. I left the fender pan on there. I should have took it off, but the brake pedal on these tractors is such a pain in the ass to remove. So I just left it on there. And then also, I left it on there. Fourth gear, the transmission had some internal issues too. It would pop out of fourth gear going uphill or under any load at all. And then also second gear, it would jump into neutral in between second gear and first gear. And I'm sure you've seen it in videos before. It would sit there and grind until you pushed on the clutch and put it back in second gear. I don't know why it did that, but this transmission is a little bit wore out. So, I mean, that could probably have just about everything to do with it. So I'm going to go on ahead and get off here so I can get this video done and edited. It is starting to get late. It is 7 o'clock in the afternoon. I want to go on ahead and get this edited and done. I wish it was still the summer. Right around now is when it starts to get dark, and right around now is when it starts to get cold. Michigan is currently getting hit with snow. I do not feel bad at all. I'm just happy it's not here. So, I don't care. As long as we don't get hit with snow, I'm happy. I got everything. The snow plows are on the tractors. I've got the snow plow on the Bobcat. And my yard sale snowblower is all ready to go. So hopefully here in Ohio, we won't get snow at all since I'm prepared and ready to go. Because usually when I'm prepared and ready to go, we don't get hit with snow. So hopefully that works again this year. So, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I really wanted to make a video dedicated to this, just kind of as a tribute. This transmission has been really good. It's been a very good transmission to me. It's pulled around the 1947 John Deere. Camera battery just died, so I'm on the phone. As you can see, the battery is over there charging right now. It sucks only having one battery for it. Maybe for Christmas this year, I'll look around and see if I can find another battery for it. That way I've got more than one. So, like I was saying, this transmission is the one that pulled around the 1947 John Deere B. And also it has drug logs, and it's pulled the Toyota around once or twice. I don't own that truck anymore, but it did pull it around once. I did also pull the forklift, believe it or not, with it. It ran out of propane on the pad. So I pulled it in here with it because I didn't have another thing of propane for it and I didn't want to screw with it. It was late at night too. So I just pulled it in here with that to just get it out of the way and get it inside. So, yeah, this thing is, man, this transmission's done a lot of dumb shit, and at the same time, it's performed outstandingly well. It lasted a lot longer than I was expecting it to. So I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little montage. And I guess that is going to be it. So enjoy the video. a little bit, but I don't really think we could get I could get fast enough with the 73. So it didn't go very well. So Blake grabbed his truck and he came over and he hooked to the front of the B and started pulling it around with that.
Right off the top. I don't want you to fall off. Be careful. Hold your grip. Just take it out of gear. Steven and I are trying to take that spindle off. You can try it again if you want. All right. Drop her down. Let's Did it? It's still filming. Hold this. Camera part's on this side.
All right.
I am going to lengthen the chain. Can you back up some?
Yeah, hang on, I'm in fourth. All right, I'm coming back.
I got it.
Oh, you did? There you go.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah,
Don't give her hell this time. Just go easy. Watch the creek in front of you, though. Go ahead. Stretch. I'll push. Ready? Go. All right, back up. You want a video? Sure. It's already videoing. Camera's on that side. Come on back. Over here, dummy. Come on back. Oh.
Cart almost fell into the water. Surprised. Yeah.
frame rail.
Hey, he's going in high now.
Oh, that's third.
Here it goes. He's so determined to get that $5, baby.
Yup. That he is.
And it wasn't the first try though, was it? He's trying.
He's gonna get it. Oh, he's gonna try it slow first. He's not gonna make it.
Oh, dude, if he was going a little faster, you had that.
Oh, he almost made
He
it.
almost made it. I don't want to tip him.
He'll move. See, watch. Better get smashed by a tractor.